This week, you took your end of unit assessment. You were tested on the foundational skills that you've been learning, short A and short I. You also were asked to identify specific story elements, as well as write complete sentences with a transition word, subject, and predicate. Next week, we will be starting our nonfiction unit, which will be cross-curricular. So for this week, we're going to review some things that we've already learned. You're going to start by practicing your accuracy and fluency on spelling patterns that we have just done. Read each line carefully. Practice tapping out each word that you do not know and blending the letters together. I will model with the first word. Cab. Some of you may also use the strategy of recognizing a word family. And you may sound out the word like this. Cab. Choose the way that works best for you. Once you're done, you're going to be asked to read a book. The book is going to contain mostly short I and short A words, as well as some sight words that you should know. Once you read the book carefully, you're going to be asked some questions about the book. I am going to model for you how you will be answering these questions. You will notice that there will be a picture from the story, as well as a question written in blue. This question says, can Sam fit in the cab? Sam is highlighted because Sam is my subject. A subject can be a person, a place, or a thing. If you read the book carefully, you will be able to answer this question. If you need to go back into the book to double check the answer, you can. In my box, I'm going to click until I see a black blinking line. Once I see that line blinking, then I can begin to type. In this case, I already know that Sam is my subject, so I'm going to type Sam. But now I need to think about the question. Can Sam fit in the cab? Well, I remember from reading the story that Sam can fit in the cab. So I am going to now write my description by answering that question. So, Sam can fit in the cab. There is a period at the end of the sentence, but if you put a period inside, that's okay as well. So now let's go back and reread. Sam, my subject, can fit in the cab. That is my description about Sam, and I answered the question. You will need to complete the rest. Can Bab fit in the cab? Can she fit in the cab? Now, she is referring to the cab driver. That's a common noun, so instead of saying her name specifically, we use she instead. So I would make sure to put she here, and then describe whether or not she can fit in the cab. Okay, good luck.